All right, so this quick video, I'm going to cover how to solve consecutive integers when you're dealing with a different limitation. This prompt says the sum of three consecutive odd numbers is 51. The most important things to pull out of this prompt is that we're talking about sum, so that's going to give me the operation of addition. They're telling me that it's three consecutive, and then they give me a huge indicator right here that three consecutive odd numbers. So right off the bat, I need to think 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, right? That's a quick list of odd numbers. Now it says, what is the second number in this sequence? In order to find this, I need to understand that when I write my equation, I'm going to let x be my first odd number. So I'm going to have x. My operation was plus because they said the sum. X plus blank has to give me a value of 51. Now when I think about how my odd numbers roll, in order to get from 1 to 3, I have to add 2. So since x was 1, I'm going to write in this spot x plus 2. In order to get to 5, that's got to be x plus 4. So in this spot, I'm going to write x plus 4. And since they said it was three consecutive odd numbers, I already have my equation laid out for me. Now it's time to group my like terms. I have an x, I have an x, I have an x. When I add those together, I have 3 x's. Plus, I have 2, I have 4. 2 plus 4 is going to end up being 6, and this still has to equal 51. Now, just like in our previous videos, we're solving for our variable x. In order to get x by itself and isolate it, we got to perform inverse operations. The inverse of adding 6 is to take away 6. And whatever we do to one side, we got to do the exact same thing to the other side. 6 minus 6 cancels out, leaving me with 3x. 51 minus 6 leaves me with 45. Again, 3 is connected to x by multiplication, so we do the inverse of that, which means we divide. And once I divide both sides by 3, 3 divided by 3 is 1, or I can simply say I have 1x. 45 divided by 3 is going to be 15. Now, when you go back to the beginning, we realize that x was in a space of our lowest odd number. So if x is 15, that means our first value is 15. And since we're looking for three consecutive odd numbers, my next one will be 17 and then 19. The question said, what is the second number in this sequence? My second number is 17. My answer to this problem is going to be 17.